Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can open apps in pop-up view on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. So first of all, we're gonna open an app. Let's say I'm gonna open the Play Store, and then when you want to open the background apps, and over here you will have your app. You want to tap on the icon of the app over here, and then you have the option to open in pop-up view. And there we go. We have the app. We can also drag it around. At the bottom we have the remove option, of course, and if you tap over here, then of course you can close the pop-up view. You can also extend. We don't have to tap. We have this line over here at the top, so if you press on this line, then you have these additional options, and you can extend back to the full screen by using these arrows over here. And in addition to that, you can also go to the settings, and in the settings we want to scroll down and go to advanced features, and we can open multi-window, and here we have the gesture that is called swipe for pop-up view. We can go over here in order to see how it looks. So over here we can drag a window from the top right corner towards the middle in order to change it into the pop-up view. So let's give it a look. Let's give it a try. As you can see, we have the preview, how it looks like, and there we go. It works pretty cool and works fine. We can also adjust the top corner area over here. We can set it to large, or we can make it smaller. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.